In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your target CPA in Google Ads the right way. So if you're looking to optimize your ad spending and get the best returns on your investment, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Google Ads homepage. This is your starting point where you'll have control over your ad campaigns, audience targeting, and of course, bidding strategies. Once you're there, look for the sign in button. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your credentials. Go ahead and sign in to access all your Google Ads account features. If you're already logged in, you'll be directed straight to the Google Ads home dashboard. This dashboard serves as your central hub for all things related to your ad campaigns. Now on the home screen, you'll notice a campaign tab. Click on it and this will take you to a list of all your current campaigns. Here you can view the performance, budget and various settings, including the ability to tweak your bidding strategy. Select a campaign that you want to adjust. If you're managing multiple campaigns, you might want to have a specific strategy or target CPA in mind for each one, so choose accordingly. Once you've selected a campaign, look for an edit button. Clicking this allows you to make changes to your campaign settings. This is where you can really start to make a difference in how effectively your ads perform. Within the editing options, search for the Change Bid Strategy feature. Selecting this will present you with various bidding strategies, which help determine how your ad budget is utilized, ranging from maximizing clicks to targeting a specific cost per acquisition. Next, select Target CPA. Target CPA is an excellent strategy if you want to focus on conversions while controlling costs. It enables you to specify the average amount you'd like to pay for a conversion, helping you make the most of your advertising budget. With Target CPA, Google Ads automatically adjusts your bids to achieve as many conversions as possible at your desired cost. It's crucial to remember that the target CPA you set should be realistic based on your past performance data. Aiming too low might limit your ad visibility, while setting it too high could lead to an inflated budget. Don't forget, after setting your target CPA, you should monitor your campaigns frequently. This allows you to fine-tune as needed and ensure your ads are performing at their peak. This method puts you in control, but it's the observation and continual adjustment of your CPA and other campaign metrics that will drive success in the long run. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully set a target CPA bid strategy in Google Ads, optimizing your campaigns for better performance and efficiency. Remember, the key is to balance between your target goals and budget constraints, adapting as your campaigns evolve. There's